Today's topic is Windows. Now, outline is here. What's window? Size and shape of window, types of windows, location of windows, and material which we use for windows. Now, first of all, windows are provided in rooms for the admission of light and ventilation. Windows actually windows area of general use is limited to 1/10 of the floor area. 1/10 of the floor area. Floor area means area of length. And but for special purpose like colleges, libraries, hospitals, office, etc., it may be 1/5 of the floor area. We can say for commercial buildings, we use 1/5 of the floor area. And for residential purpose, we use 1/10 of the floor area. And then size and shape of the window. The size and shape of window depends upon the purpose of the room for which they are to be used. For example, like kitchen, we use ventilators there for in cooking side, and we use large windows for in staying side. And in these drawing rooms, we use large windows. We use in washrooms, we use ventilators. In stores, we use ventilators. And and then this is location. And as far as location is concerned, windows should preferably be located opposite to each other for proper ventilation, and the top level of window is kept in line with that of doors. Windows sill should be 750 to 950 above floor level. Window sill means the height of the window from the floor level. The sill should be 750 to 950 mm. The height of a window should be 750 to 900 mm from the floor. And the frames and the window frames and shutters are made just like those for doors, except the thickness of the leaves, thickness which is restricted to 40 mm only. Then next slide is there. These are the types of windows. Types of windows. Types of windows. Paneled window is there. First of all, paneled window, paneled and glassed window, fully glassed window, fully glassed window without sash bar, corner window, fully glassed bay window, and ventilators are there. Now, first of all, paneled window is there, fully paneled window. Here, this is 6 paneled window. We can use a board or we can use battens also. Now, in this, we also this is here. This is the front elevation of window, and this is the sectional plan of this window, and this is the sectional elevation of this window. Now, door and windows are same, but only difference is there. We use sill. You can see we can use bottom post here, bottom post, and in doors we are not using this. these bottom posts, and the height of door is more than this window. Now, first of all, in this this is here front elevation of this window. In front elevation, different components are here. This is these are the vertical posts here. Then this is top post, which is called head, and this is bottom post here, and this is the frame. Then these are shutters here. In shutters, meeting styles are here, hanging styles are here also, and then rails. These are the rails here: top rail, freeze rail. This is also freeze rail, and this is bottom rail here. And these are the boards. We can use boards, or we can use battens here also. And now, if we take a horizontal section of this window, it's called sectional plan. What we do is we draw first here a section of wall. This section of wall. This is here brickwork, conventional sign of brickwork. Then this is vertical post, section of vertical post. Then this is here these are here hanging style. Then this is section of board, panel, we can say section of panel. Then these are here knitting styles. These are the knitting styles here. Then this is section of panel again. Then this is knitting hanging style. Then again section of this vertical post, and then a section of this wall. This is a brickwork here. Now this was the sectional plan. Now we are going to explain this sectional elevation. In sectional elevation, if we cut this window at this section, at this point, vertically, we are going to cut this, and then we are going to draw this sectional elevation. First of all, what we do is we draw this section of wall, and this is plastering here. Then this is horizontal post here, this horizontal post, and then this is top rail. The dimension of this top rail is 60 into 100 mm. 60 is vertically here, and 60 into 100 is for top post, head, for head. And then this is top rail. Top rail is 40 into 100. 40 is thickness of this rail, and 100 is width of this rail. Then this is panel. panel is also 40 mm thick. Then this is freeze rail here. Freeze rail's dimension is 80 into 40. 40 is thickness and 80 is width. Then this is again panel 40 mm thick. Then this is freeze rail again. Freeze rail is 40 into 80. 80 is width and 40 is thickness. Then this is again panel. This is again panel. Panel is thickness of panel is 40 mm. Then bottom rail. Bottom rail is 40 mm thickness and 80 mm, 100 mm width. And then this is flooring here. Now second slide is there. Next slide. Now this is paneled and glazed window. In paneled and glazed window, we use glass also and we use panel also here. The difference is only here, we use glass here. The rest of the things are same. This is here, this is the front elevation of this paneled and glazed window, and this is here sectional plan of this glass window, paneled and glazed window, and this is the sectional elevation of this paneled and glazed window. Now, if we cut here, then this to show maximum components of this window. Here, when we cut it here, in sectional plan, what we do is we draw the section of this vertical post, then this meeting style, hanging style, then this panel, and then this meeting style, and then this glass, and then hanging style, and then this vertical post. This is the sectional elevation, sectional plan of this window. And in sectional elevation, this is here floor, and then this is bottom post, then freeze rail, then this is here panel, then freeze rail again, then this is thickness of glass, and this is here top rail, and then this is here head. And this is brickwork here. And this is lintel here, RCC lintel. Now another slide is here, fully glazed window. In this fully glazed window, we use only glasses instead of these panels. The rest of the things are same. Now this is the first this is the front elevation of this window. Then this is sectional plan of this window, and this is sectional elevation of this window. This is fully glazed window without sash bars. In this window, we are not using these sash bars. Sash bars means it's sash bars for glazed or intermediate rails for fixing of panels. We use some rails, we can say, intermediate rails for fixing these glasses. But in this type of window, we are not using sash bars. We use only glasses here. Without sash bars, we will use these shutters. Now, this is the top, this is the sectional plan, and this is the sectional elevation here. This is the sectional elevation here. Now, another slide is here. These are the ventilators here. Ventilators. A ventilator, it's a small window, small size window. In this is the frame of this ventilator. This is the frame of this ventilator. Sorry. This is the frame of this ventilator. And then this is shutter of this ventilator. Now, these are the section of ventilators, different ventilators. Ventilators, we can say, a narrow window is termed as ventilator. It has a shorter height as compared to its length. The shutter of the ventilator is horizontally pivoted. The ventilators are provided near the ceiling of the room. We use more height. We use sill height more than this windows. They help in the termination of used air in a room. In other words, they act as exhausts also. And now these are the three types of ventilators. In this, hinges top on the top, and this is the center hung ventilator, and this is here bottom hung ventilator. Now, as far as material is concerned, we use different materials for different windows. Like metal framed window, aluminum doors and windows, precast reinforced concrete door and window frames, and usually we use wood. Thank you.